So, folks, welcome to day two. I'm John, your host, along with Tim, who is my faithful companion in Rockville, Maryland. But this is day two of our um, second Mycoplasma minimal cell virtual workshop. Um, Monday was terrific. We really had spectacular talks, and I was thrilled. What I saw was a real two things. I saw a lot more synergy within our groups. We are After last year's workshop, we know each other now, which is really great. But what I also saw was a real advance at every level in terms of understanding, as opposed to just presenting data. What I came away from with every talk was just a significant enhancement, I think, of my understanding of the whole systems. And so, with that, I think I'm going to turn it over. Our first speaker, and I'm thrilled to have him here, is my friend George Church, who's going to talk to us about work that he and Ed Boyden are eventually going to be doing with Mycoplasma minimal cell.